How to manage your IT projects better. The first step you should take is to understand the business case, why the project you're assigned to was selected, and manage the project accordingly. For example, is it being done to enter a new market? Is it the result of a customer request? Or maybe just a pet project for a company executive? Knowing the reason helps you manage the project more effectively. The second and most important step is to define the project scope. What exactly are you expected to accomplish by managing this project? What is the project objective? And equally important, what is not included in the scope? This clarity helps prevent confusion and scope creep later. Next, determine the resources available to you, such as people, equipment, and funding. Understanding your resource limits helps you plan better and set realistic expectations. Then, check the project timeline. When does it need to be completed? You may have some flexibility in the schedule, but deadlines are usually fixed. So, structure your plan accordingly. Now it's time to bring your team together and start a conversation. They're the technical experts, so work with them to plan who's doing what skills are needed, how they'll be trained, and how to keep them motivated throughout the project. After that, create a work breakdown structure, or WBS. Identify the major components of the project and break them into smaller, manageable tasks. You can do this collaboratively with your team and stakeholders, arranging each task in logical sequence. How detailed you go depends on the size and complexity of the project. Once that's done, work towards developing a preliminary project plan. Decide what happens first, what comes next, which steps can run in parallel using different resources, who will do each task, and how long will each task take. After reviewing the plan with your team and stakeholders, adjust timelines and schedules to match the available resources. This updated version becomes your baseline plan, which you'll use to measure and track progress throughout the project. Make sure to document everything. Keep records of all changes to the baseline plan, write down what changed and why it was necessary. It's always better to document these changes so you can review them at the end of the project and learn from them. Keep everyone informed. Update all stakeholders regularly, not just about progress. Let them know about successes as you complete each milestone, but also inform them of problems as soon as they arise. That way, everyone can contribute to better decision-making. Use progress reporting tools like Earned Value Management, or EVM, to check if the project is on schedule and within budget. EVM is effective because it integrates cost, time, and scope, and can help forecast future performance, completion dates, and costs. As project managers, we should also focus on stakeholder involvement. Let them know which requirements will be met and which won't, and why. Assign them project responsibilities when needed, such as being risk response owners. Communicate clearly and at the right time. Involve them in change management, approvals, and lessons learned. Reassess their involvement during project execution as needed. Finally, manage risks and issues proactively. As a PM, your focus should not just be on solving problems, but on preventing them. Effective risk management reduces uncertainty, improves estimates, lowers stress, and ultimately saves both time and money.